Agile Kool-Aid, thoughts about agile development.
Unlocking Agile Methodology and Improving Performance with OKRs, a colleague's guide. If you've ever felt like Agile Methodology was a puzzle that you just couldn't solve, then this guide is for you. As a Scrum Master, software manager, software engineer, product owner or quality assurance colleague in the tech industry, it's important to stay on top of your game when managing teams and achieving goals. Unlocking the power of OKRs, objectives and key results, can help take your performance up several notches by organizing and aligning team efforts with organizational strategy. Through embracing technology advances, now more than ever before, it's possible to work smarter and improve business results as well as individual productivity. In this guide, we'll explore how unlocking Agile methodology with OKRs can empower teams while increasing visibility into processes across departments, so read on. Introducing OKRs and their benefits. OKRs, or Objectives and Key Results, are a performance management system that helps organizations measure and track their progress towards specific objectives. They have several benefits, including 1. Clarity of purpose. By setting specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound objectives, OKRs help to clearly define the organization's goals and priorities. This clarity of purpose helps to improve communication and alignment across the organization. 2. Focus and accountability. By tying individual objectives to key results, OKRs help to focus employees on the most important tasks and hold them accountable for achieving results. 3. Transparency and tracking. The transparency provided by OKRs makes it easy to track progress toward objectives and identify areas of improvement. 4. Improvement planning. The cycle of setting, measuring, analyzing, and acting upon results achieved through OKRs can help organizations improve their performance over time. How to implement OKR for my Agile team? There is no one-size-fits-all answer for how to implement OKRs for an Agile team, as the best way to do this will vary depending on the specific team and its needs. However, there are a few key things to keep in mind when setting up OKRs for an Agile team. First, it's important to remember that OKRs should be aligned with the team's Agile goals and not vice versa. As Agile teams are constantly adapting and evolving, their OKRs should also be flexible and able to change as needed. Second, it's important to keep the OKRs concise and focused. Agile teams work best when they are focused on a limited number of tasks at a time, so keeping the OKRs tight will help ensure that they don't become overwhelmed. Finally, it's important to make sure that the OKRs are achievable and measurable. This will help ensure that the team is constantly moving towards its goals and can track its progress. The benefits of using OKRs with Agile. When it comes to Agile, OKRs can seem like an afterthought. But they don't have to be. How to set up OKRs for Agile teams with example. Setting up OKRs for Agile teams can be a bit tricky since the whole point of Agile is to be flexible and adapt to changes. However, with a few modifications, you can set up OKRs that work well for Agile teams. One way to do this is to have OKRs that are specific to the team's current sprint or project. For example, you might have an objective for the team to complete a certain number of tasks within a given timeframe, or to meet certain quality standards. You could also have goals that are specific to the project, such as increasing customer satisfaction or reducing costs. Another way to modify OKRs for Agile teams is to make them more flexible. Instead of having rigid goals that must be met, try setting up challenges instead. These could be things like complete 5 tasks in 2 days or improve customer satisfaction by 10%. This will give the team more flexibility and allow them to adapt their goals as needed depending on the project they're working on.